Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sycom Silent Master RTX 4070 Ti Super GPUs. So friends, Sycom introduced a new Silent Master GPUs, the ultra noise level thanks to Noctua cooling. And friends, Sycom remains loyal to Noctua fans with its latest offering. And friend, the RTX 4070 Ti Supertex, the spotlight at Sycom's flagship design, while the company offers models like RTX 4060, RTX 4070, and RTX 4070 Ti. There is no mention of the RTX 4080 or 4090 series yet. The Super model update includes 4070 Ti Super and 4070 Super. Both boast increased core count, and in case of 4070 Ti Super, also featuring 16 GB of VRAM. What's important to note is that one of the Silent Master GPUs comes factory overclocked. And friend, the Silent Master model based on 4070 Super and 4070 Ti Super feature a special frame supporting two Noctua NF-A12x25 PWM fans, and this model differ in size with the 4070 S measuring 27.8 mm in length, 14.5 cm in width and 7 cm in height. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.